Standing there acting all tough won't impress me. Just give me what I'm owed. Yeah, sure. Help yourself, dummy. Wow, scrounging for... I can't believe I am wasting time here with you. Take forever if you must, idiot. You're dressing me up now? Don't you have better things to do,
I'm sure you'll find me worthy if given the chance to step inside. No problem, I wasn't using it anyway. Alright, just go easy on the close shave.
Cool, I was thinking I needed a trim anyway.
You must have a good reason for this, I trust you.
Hope it's exactly what you were looking for.
Cash money. Let me know if you need an opinion. I'm here to help.
Good taste.
Huh, this is interesting. Thanks for the accessory. Pop, no more bug. Oh, poor fly. What did I do to deserve this? Great choice. I'm sure it'll help somehow.
That hurt! You want a piece of me? Come at me, bro!
Try not to break. I'm glad you realized who's important around here. That does not look good.
He totally scammed!
Your job's easy. Find me on the list and let me pass. No need for drama.
Wow, scrounging for pennies, are we? He totally scammed you!
Make a choice already. My patience isn't endless. Sure, give your money to someone else. Real smart move. Next time, get permission before stripping me down, dummy.
Hey, I don't recall asking for a wardrobe change, genius.
That does not look good. Taking my stuff without asking, genius move.
What do you need that for? You idiot, I will sue you. Next time, think before you touch my hair, idiot. Next time, think before you touch my hair, idiot. You idiot, I will sue you.
Did you just do that?
Do that again, I dare you.
Took you long enough to notice that, genius. A big mistake on your part, I assure you.
You've sealed your fate, you fool. How dare you? Do you know who I am?
My night will be complete if I get to experience what's behind these ropes. No problem. I wasn't using it anyway. Anything for you. I'm glad I could assist. Ouchie! I am not sure how that can be helpful. Here you go. I hope it helps you. Your approval means a lot. I'll have a blast in there.
If you knew half of who I am,
interested.
you'd be begging me to come inside, not stalling. You better appreciate that, idiot.
You dimwit, what is wrong with you?
I've never seen such incompetence at a door. Hurry up. I'm not...
They say there's a fantastic crowd in there. I'm hoping to join them. Anything for you. I'm glad I could assist. I guess I needed some rest. Thanks for that forced break. Nice find. Looks like you made a smart choice. You are a natural businessman. That was surprisingly painful. I get it. You have your reasons. No hard feelings. That...
I'm sure you'll find me worthy if given the chance to step inside. No problem, I wasn't using it anyway. Cash money. It's make... You must have a good reason for this. I trust you. Smooth look coming up. I trust your skill. Fresh new look. Cool. I was thinking I needed a trim anyway. Please just Sorry to bother you. I'll just find another place tonight.
The anticipation is thrilling. I'd love to see what awaits inside. It's making me uneasy, but I'll... No worries. I appreciate you taking the time.
I've been waiting patiently and hope you'll consider giving me that green stamp. Feel free, it's...
I've been told the scene inside is unmatched. I'd be grateful to see it. Pants shopping, always a challenge. Take your time. Good taste. Feel free, it's not a big deal. I don't like this violence. Neat tool. Just don't scan anything you'll regret seeing. That's amazing. I'm so excited to join the party.
I'm sure you'll find me worthy if given the chance to step inside. Feel free, it's not a big deal. You are a natural businessman. Anything for you, I'm glad I could assist. No problem, I wasn't using it anyway. Oh, nice! Huh, this is interesting. Thanks for the accessory. You must have a good reason for this, I trust you. Pants shopping, always a challenge. Take your time. Thanks, I'm curious why you chose this for me. Ouchie! Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. I'm happy to share, it's all yours. I'll wear it proudly, you've got good taste. No problem, I wasn't using it anyway. Nice! That's amazing, I'm so excited to join the party.
my first time here, and I'd love the chance to discover what makes it special. What is that? Hey, a new look. Thanks for the fresh style.
Stop that!
Fresh new look. Smooth look coming up. I trust your skill. Hey, a new look. Thanks for the fresh style. Fresh new look. Cool, I was thinking I needed a trim anyway. Why would you do that? Fresh new look. Cool, I was thinking I needed a trim anyway. Oh, what does it say? That's a nice touch. I appreciate the style. Cool. I'm always up for trying something new. That's a nice touch. I am sorry for any trouble. I'll head out peacefully. I admit I'm nervous, but I'll try to stay calm.
Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead.
I'm eager to see what has everyone smiling so much inside. Anything for you, I'm glad I could assist. Let me see the result. Feel free, it's not a big deal. Nice! Cool, I'm always up for trying something new. Thank you for the trust. I promise to keep the good vibes going.
Here you go, I hope it helps you. No problem, I wasn't using it anyway. Feel free, it's not a big deal. No problem, I wasn't using it anyway. Found anything fun? Looking for something special? I'm sure you'll find it. Pants shopping, always a challenge. Take your time. Good taste. I am a living barbecue. I think that singed my eyebrows. Am I getting it? You won't regret it. I promise to be on my best behavior. I think that singed my eyebrows.
The atmosphere here seems amazing. May I come inside and enjoy it? I think that singed my eyebrows.
That's refreshing. That was surprisingly nice.
Splish splash. Cool. I'm always up for trying something new. Cool, that might come in handy. That was painful. Why did you do that? This place clearly doesn't value class. I'm out.
My friends told me the green stamp is a badge of honor. I'd be thrilled to get it.
My friends keep urging me to hurry. I hope I'm not too late to get in. Oh, what does it say? Here you go. I hope it helps you. Smooth look coming up. I trust your skill. Thanks. I'm curious why you chose this for me. Oh yeah, I guess I appreciated it. I've been looking forward to this for ages.
I'm excited to hear the music from the inside. Could I come through? Smooth look coming up. I trust your skill. This could be the start of a bold new image for me. It's a bit unexpected, but I'll roll with it. Come on, no need for You want a piece of me? Come at me, bro. That's how you handle respected guests? Ridiculous. I'd say I'm surprised, but this place clearly lacks standards. That's a stunt you'll regret. At least you're not completely clueless. Touch me again and I'll have your job, you moron. You think this is funny? You'll pay for that.
I've never been disappointed here, and I'm hopeful tonight won't be different. Feel free. It's not a big deal. Hope you got good price for it. Cash money. A bold move, but I won't complain if it's for a purpose. You are a natural businessman. Here you go. I hope it helps you. No problem. I wasn't using it anyway. I am soaked, but it is also kind of refreshing. Looking for something specific? Good taste. Cool. I'm always up for trying something new. Nice. Your approval means a lot. I'll have a blast in there.
I've traveled quite a distance for this. I hope I can step inside and enjoy it. Thanks.
I can't wait to see what everyone's talking about inside.